Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I'm Varsha Davangere. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. So the today's video is going to be NY Bay's honest review video. So yeah, I have some very affordable products from the brand NY Bay, and I'm going to be reviewing them so that it will get easier for you guys to buy them. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product I'm gonna talk about is the big apple of my eye kohl from NY Bay. This is the product I really love. Yes, I have talked about the Faces Kannada's Magnetized Kajal in my Nykaa haul video. If I'm honest, it is not as buttery as Magnetized ka Kajal, but it stays put and does not get smudge. Faces Kannada ka, Kajal that gets smudgy after a while. But this does not get smudgy at all. I really love this product, and this product is a big yes for me. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is this NY Bay's brightening primer. It says it gives instant glow, blends like a dream, and hydrating in nature. I kinda have mixed opinion about this primer. No wonder it does its job and the makeup sits on your face really nice after applying this. But I have a feeling that it could have been more nice. Also, this product is super affordable, you guys. Like literally very much affordable, and I would rely on this product anytime. It's not that this product is great or something, but it does its job, and for the price we pay, it's worth every penny, I tell you. And that is that about this product. I don't have anything too much to say. So yeah. It's getting really difficult for me to talk because I've got this itch in my cuff. It's maybe a throat infection. It's in my throat, not cuff. So yeah, it's maybe a throat infection, but it's really irritating. So yeah, let's get with this video fast. So the next product I'm going to talk about is this NY Bay Foundation Concealer Stick. So this is in the shade Having Espresso in Metropolitan Museum. To be honest, I did not like this product at all. It is not worth buying. I don't like it because it has this pinkish undertone. I don't like it when a foundation or a concealer have pinkish undertones. Also, I did not like the texture of this product because it gets really difficult to blend it in. When you blend it in, a lot of product is soaked by the blenders only. So it is very less left on your skin. So I don't like it that much. This product is a big no for me. I will still use it because I've purchased it, and but if you guys are planning on buying this, please don't. So the next product I'm going to talk about is this color corrector. It is in the shade Shady in Chinatown. So it is an orange corrector. So the formula of this color corrector is exactly similar to this concealer. It has a creamy texture. You can see it here. It does have a creamy texture. Now don't get me wrong, but I really like this product as a color corrector. I don't know why I didn't like it as a concealer, but the same formula as a corrector, maybe it works for me as a corrector. Yeah, it does its job. It's not that I love this product or something, no, but it does its job. So yeah, why not give it a shot? It's really worth the buy. So yeah, I really like this corrector. The next product that I'm going to talk about is this NY Bay's lipstick. It is in the range Shakti and the shade is Shank 5. It is a matte lipstick as it says, but I just didn't feel it is matte. It is glossy, but you guys, this lipstick is to die for. Like, oh my god, I really love this. This is not what I ordered actually. Actually, what happened, I ordered this brownish chocolatey color ka shade, but I got this and I really loved the shade, so I didn't get it exchanged. Anyway, it has a creamy texture. If you guys can see, it is really creamy. In camera, it may look a little dark, pinkish, maroonish. It is not maroonish, it is pinkish only. So yeah, in camera it has gone a little overboard, but yeah, it is this very bright, elegant Rani pink we say. So yeah, that color. This lipstick looks really pretty on your lips. Oh my god. It may be a little smudgy, I really don't know, but I can tell by looking at this that it is not a long lasting lipstick. You gotta use your brains while ordering this product. Don't just buy it because I've said it. Research a little and then buy this product. So yeah, that is that. So the next products that I'm gonna talk about is these two NY Base nail paint and remover. So the nail polish is in the shade Cotton Candy, and as the name suggests, the color is this color literally looks like that Bombay Mithai. In Kannada we call Bombay Mithai, and in Hindi, if I'm not wrong, we call it Budde ke Baal. So yeah, the Cotton Candy. It exactly is the color of cotton candy, so I really love it. And also the consistency of this nail polish is really good. Like, it is not too thick or not too thin. So yeah, I really love this product. And this remover, oh my god, it is really a lifesaver, you guys, because it takes off the nail polish in very less time with very less product. I can tell you guys that this will come in a long run, because this product's not gonna get over very soon. It will stay for a really long time. So yeah, it is very nice, or it is really worth it to invest in this, and it is just for 50 rupees. So yeah, every penny is more than worth it. So yeah, I love this product. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was very useful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.